there is help out there, but I think the key or the biggest help is one, being able to create safe spaces for people to share what they're going through, how they're feeling, without feeling judged, without feeling like they've done something wrong. For too long, it because you don't know what someone's going through in regards to you're not feeling the same way, doesn't make it wrong that someone's feeling a certain type of way. So, if you're there and you see someone going through an element of grief, the least you can do, in my opinion, is be that shoulder to cry on. We don't always need advice. Sometimes we just need someone to listen. We just need someone to listen and not judge. We just need someone to let us